Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Binance account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a Binance logo at the top left corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on that Binance logo, and you need to tap on their profile picture, which is at the top. So once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the another section where you can see there is a security option just down below of these verifications. So let's tap on that security now. Finally, you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the manage account. So once you find it, which is at the just down below of this screen, so just tap on that manage account, and finally you can see there is a two options. First one is disable account and another one is delete account. So if you want to disable your account, then simply tap on the disable account, but we are deleting for now, so just tap on the delete account. And now you can see there is a three reasons, because the Binance gonna be asking you why you want to delete your account, so you can choose any of them. And if you have any other reason, then simply tap on the others and you can enter your reason over here. So once you complete all the things, then simply tap on the continue, and once you verify yourself, you'll be able to delete your Binance account successfully. So basically this is how you can delete your Binance account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.